In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Google Chats from your Gmail account. If you want to control whether Google Chat appears inside Gmail, this is a quick setting you can change in just a few moments. This can be useful if you like having chat available directly in your inbox, or if you prefer a cleaner Gmail layout with fewer tools showing on the side. To begin, go to your Gmail dashboard and make sure you're on the main inbox screen. Once Gmail has fully loaded, look toward the top right area of the page. You'll see the gear icon, which opens your Gmail settings. Click on that icon to continue. A settings panel will appear on the right side of the screen. In that panel, click on See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page, where Gmail gives you more detailed options for customizing your account. After the settings page opens, look across the tabs near the top and click on Chat and Meet. This section is where Gmail lets you manage whether chat features appear in your account interface. Once you're inside the Chat and Meet section, find the option next to Chat. Here you can choose how you want Google Chat to behave in Gmail. If you want to enable it, click on Google Chat. If you want to disable it, click on Off. This setting determines whether the chat area will be visible inside Gmail. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the option you actually want before moving on. If you're enabling Google Chat, it can help you message and collaborate without leaving your inbox. If you're disabling it, Gmail may feel less cluttered and more focused on email only. When you're done, scroll if needed and click on Save Changes. This is important because your selection won't be applied until you save it. After that, Gmail will refresh and load with your updated chat preference. If you turned Google Chat on, you should now see it available within Gmail. If you turned it off, the chat section should no longer appear. Keep in mind that if Google updates the Gmail layout slightly, the names of tabs or the placement of settings may look a little different, but the process is generally the same. And that's how to enable or disable Google Chats from your Gmail account.